Fratantoni makes the process a lot less stressful.
Fratantoni interior designers are the most sought-after talent in the industry, working worldwide, combining luxury with dramatic interior.
They went out and searched high and low for colors and finishes and things that I liked, and I'm telling you, they found it. Every single room is turning out exactly, how I want it.
I think they look at every space. They come in and consider views and consider sunlight to decide what kind of finishes should be there and how you like to live.
Once we saw what they were doing, we knew we were in the right place.
The right place for exceptional service.
It's always the same service. If I have a question, it's answered. If I need to speak with someone, it's happening. If I need to have a meeting, we have it. Everything that they do is always on point, always.
Fratantoni interior designers, making homes extraordinary. Let us help you begin this amazing journey known as the Fratantoni Experience.